Hello, boys and girls. This may well be the biggest assembly video we have ever had. We're going to reveal all the award winners, all the individual awards, all the grade awards. What am I talking about? Well, let me tell you, we might have a few new Spotlight Awards today. We will reveal the new House Champion of Term 3. We will also reveal the Attendance Champion of Term 3. So stay tuned, there's lots of awards coming, there's lots of exciting announcements in this video. Let's kick it off. Let's go over to Hifsa and Tapora.
Hi, my name is Hifsa.
And I'm Tapora.
And we are your school captains.
We acknowledge the Aboriginal people as the traditional owners of this land, and we pay our respects to elders past and present. We will now recite our school oath.
The flag reminds us that Australia is our home.
We respect our parents, friends, teachers, school and community.
We believe that everyone is important and deserves a fair go.
We want to make Bethel a fair, safe and happy place for everyone.
Everyone please stand up quietly. Please be seated.
I enjoy music the most because you have a bunch of new songs and you have a bunch of new games. Art.
And why do you like art so much?
Because we can make stuff. I like art because it's fun.
We like making food at school. And I like doing biking.
Sport because I like footy.
Who's your favorite subject?
Art because I like painting and drawing.
Good morning, everyone. Happy end of term 3. I wanted to come on and say a big congratulations to all the students and teachers for a fantastic science showcase that everyone was involved in yesterday morning. I got to see simple machines move cars. I got to see innovative playground design from the foundation students. I learned all about different natural disasters from the 5-6ers, and I saw the 3-4s with their really innovative package designing. It was so wonderful to see all the students working together and sharing all their knowledge with each other. Fantastic work, everyone. again, this time to talk to you about our attendance award. So remember, across the term, your class is able to earn an out of school uniform day, which some of our classes had this week, for having the best attendance in your unit for that particular month. And then all classes are also working towards our special end of term attendance prize, which goes to one class that has the highest attendance for the whole term across the whole school. So far this year, FK, Miss Cor's class, has won that prize, and they went to Go Climb. And then for term 2, Miss Monkham's 5-6 class won the prize, and they went to Archie Brothers Arcade. Both have been very exciting excursions. So I'm about to reveal the class that will get to pick an excursion to go on at the start of next term. So with a really fantastic attendance percentage of 92%, congratulations to 3-4N.
Hello girls and boys. So I'm here to speak about the Spotlight Award. So as you know, it goes to girls and boys who do something absolutely fantastic. But it also comes with a certificate and something really, really special. So Mireille received her award last week, and in a moment we'll talk and we'll introduce you to the 2 boys who have received it this week. So for this term, we've got 3 award winners, and that means that early next term, those 3 lucky people will be having lunch with myself and Mr. Wilson. We'll get the kids together early next term and we'll ask them what they would like for lunch. We'll go and get it and we'll have a fantastic time. So always, boys and girls, reach for the stars, and you might be getting one as well. Okay, I know last week at last week's assembly we had a Spotlight Award. Well, guess what? We've got 2 more winners today. So we've got Christiane here, and we've also got Eamon. So let me tell you about why these people have received the Spotlight Award. Eamon received it because he was really kind. A particular student damaged something of his, wrecked one of his cards, but then a couple of minutes later, that very student lost their bracelet and it was damaged. And Eamon helped that student even though they damaged his card 5 minutes before. So that was fantastic. So congratulations, Eamon. Well done. And Christiane, this was also out in the yard, and Christiane noticed that there was a student who was really cold. It was a cold day, and that student only had a polo t-shirt on, and Christiane went over and gave that student his jacket, so that student wouldn't be cold anymore, and then he just continued playing. He wasn't looking for any great prize or anything to go with it. It was just him being very nice. So well done, Christiane.
Thank you.
Congratulations, and really proud of you boys.
Hold them up, boys. Great job. Give them a clap, everybody. Who do you think will win the House Points competition this term?
I think Thornville will win. Hello, Thornvillians.
I think Rosella's going to win because Rosella's the best.
I think Rosellians are going to win because Rosellian is the best and it rules.
Mr. Wilson, who's going to win this term? Obviously, it's Lorikeet. We won last term. We ate all those green good things. We're ready again. Aren't we, Lorikeet? Let's go, Lorikeet!
All right, Kingfisher, it's our time. This term is all ours. Let's go, Kingfisher.
I think it's definitely Rosella because we're the best.
Let's go, Rosella! Woo!
Lorikeet.
It has to be Thornville. Go Thornville!
Lorikeet's gonna win! Come on, everyone! We can do it!
Who's going to win the house points? What a silly question. The only question, the better question is, how many points will Lorikeet win the house points by? And the answer to that is plenty. Go Lorikeet.
The moment everyone has been waiting for. It's time to announce the winner for the House Points competition for Term 3. Before I give out the final scores today, I just want to remind everyone that Not only are we working towards trying to earn the house points victory for each term, but the house with the highest amount of house points at the very end of the year is going to get an extra special prize. So even though your house might not win this term, it's really important to keep earning those house points to see if you can earn the end of year prize, which I've already booked and I can tell you it's pretty exciting. So here we go. Today we're going to find out the winner for term 3 in 4th place, which is still a very great score of 866 house points. Well done to Lorikeet. In 3rd place with 932 house points, well done to Kingfisher. In 2nd place with 935 house points, so very close between 2nd and 3rd, was Thornbill. And then with an extremely high score of 1,053 house points, congratulations to Rosella.
Well, that's it for another huge term at Bethel Primary School. We'll see you all in a few weeks, streaming through the gates, all relaxed and refreshed, looking forward to a big term 4. Until then, stay safe, have a great holidays with family and friends, and we'll see you in a few weeks. That's me, signing off.